Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Harbor Freight website and checking out some of the early Black Friday deals that they have going on. They have some deals going on that are no coupon required. They have these that you can use in store or online, and then they also have new ITC member super deals going on for a few days. So we'll quickly go over those. We're not going to go over everything, but we are going to go over quite a bit. If you guys see something that you think is a great deal that I don't mention, please feel free to drop a comment down below. But getting into this, they have the 3-ton floor jack with rapid pump at $139 down from $149, so not great savings on there. We're going to go over some good deals and bad deals. That's not a fantastic deal. It's not horrible because the Pittsburgh floor jacks, actually basically all of Harbor Freight's floor jacks, are a great price for what you're getting. Then they have the Predator 2000 watt power station on sale at $900 down from $950. Not a great deal on that either, only $50 off, and there's tons of brands out there that are very competitive or comparative, both, in that pricing and their capabilities. I have a lot of EcoFlow as well as a few other brands, and so that's just something that you need to do your research on if you're looking at buying a power station. $50 off the 3400 peak amp jump starter and power pack down to $330 from $380. They have the Bauer 2.8 amp 5-inch orbital palm sander at $20 down from $40, so 50% savings on that. That is a corded tool, but very good price on that. A little bit of a deal, $10 savings on the hand truck. The 29-gallon McGraw 165 PSI oil lube belt drive air compressor down to $500 from $570, so a little bit of savings on there. Not great, but they haven't had a whole lot. It's probably because they're going to be having some deals coming up here soon with some of the air compressors, so I'd wait if you can. The 4-amp battery charger and maintainer at $30 down from $40, 25% savings on that. We have the Doyle 4.5-inch swivel vise at $110 down from $130, a little bit of savings on there. The magnetic glove and tissue dispenser at $13 down from $15, only 13% off on that. I know a lot of times we'll see those around $10, so not that it's a huge difference, but we will see better deals on those. 16% savings on the Portland electric pole saw. 21% savings on their electrical tape. This is a 10-pack, down to $5.50. 21% savings on the 11-foot heavy-duty reflective all-purpose weather-resistant tarp, down to $18 from $23. Some pretty decent savings on their Hallmaster 1.5-inch by 10-foot ratcheting tie-down straps, 4-pack for $18. $20 off the 1/3 horsepower utility pump at $80. That's not a bad deal, 20% off. Their adjustable shop stools down to $60 from $75. Some good savings on there. Here we got $40 off the Fortress 10-gallon 175 PSI ultra quiet air compressor. I've been really impressed with the Fortress air compressors. I have experience with a couple of them. This isn't one of them, but they have been quite impressive. This one's at $250 down from $290. We have the 11-amp 4.5-inch angle grinder at $54 down from $60. Not a great deal on that. You got some good savings on this 150-pound capacity foldable hand truck. $23 down from $35, some good savings on there. 18% off the 6-inch bench grinder from Bauer. $10 off the gravity feed spray gun, down to $20 from $30. Not great savings on the trailer jack with the drop leg. The Vulcan welder is down to $790 from $900, so $110 savings on there. Not great savings on the farm jack. Some pretty decent savings on the Vanguard 50-foot extension cord. This is a triple tap, 16% off. $40 savings on the 12-volt diesel transfer pump. Here's the Fortress 6-gallon 150 PSI ultra quiet job site air compressor, down to $200 from $230. $20 off their welding helmets over here. Not great deals. 20% off the Z Creeper, or the 2-in-1 mechanics creeper and seat, down to $40 from $50. Not great savings on this Vanguard extension cord, also a triple tap. The Bauer 15-amp down to $80 from $90. Once again, not a very good deal on that. Same thing with the Badlands 2,000-pound utility trailer winch. I feel like we just had a deal on this. Well, maybe it was a different one, but not great savings on there either. hoping once we actually get to Black Friday and they release, I know it's been leaked already, but I'm sure there are going to be some changes. I'm hoping we'll see a little bit better deals. Some of these are, mediocre at best. $40 savings on the Portland 14 amp electric chipper shredder, which isn't a bad deal. I didn't even know about this up until maybe a month ago. 20-gallon oil lift drain, or a T-drain, down to $140 from $175. Some pretty good savings on that. 16% savings on the Icon Creeper. That's not a bad deal, down to $75 from $90. 20% savings on the old elbow flashlight. At least this one's LED. I have a couple of the old originals, and I'll tell you one thing, they're not great flashlights. This being LED might be a little bit better, but magnetic cup holder down to $10 from $13, 23% savings on that, available in 5 colors. The Bauer 32-inch sawhorse down to $50 from $60, so 16% savings on there. That's not a bad deal. 30% savings on this Vanguard extension cord, down to $7 from $10. 22% savings on the Holt 2.3 gallon manual fluid extractor. If you guys have experience with this, please let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments. This is at $70 down from $90. The Maddox bearing and race seal driver set, 10-piece set, down to $30 from $40, so some good savings on there. The U.S. General 4-tier shelf, I have quite a few of these, and 16% off on that, down to $25. The Pittsburgh ratcheting screwdriver set, $9, down from $13, 30% savings. The Bauer 15 amp planer, down to $300 from $350. The Pittsburgh 4-pound engineer's hammer, lifetime warranty, $10, not a bad option. Here's a 3/4 horsepower concrete vibrator, down to $80, so 20% off on that. 34% savings on the Chicago Electric rotary tool, down to $15. This is very comparable in pricing to the Wen rotary tool. The Maddox heavy duty tire repair kit, $17. This is much better than their cheaper option that they have there. I don't know what brand it is. Maybe it's Pittsburgh. I'm not sure, but they do have a cheaper option. This is definitely the better one to go with the metal T-handles. The Maddox pneumatic fan clutch wrench set, down to $55 from $75, so some good savings on there, 26%. 24% savings on the recovery strap from Hallmaster. The magnetic spray can and screwdriver holder, down to $10 from $15, good savings on there. That is available in 8 different colors. 40% off the Bauer 2.2 orbital sheet sander, $15. That's a great deal. $15 for the Doyle 4-pound crossbeam hammer, 16% off, not a bad deal. 20% off the Atlas brushless cordless blower, tool only, $60, originally $75. Not a great deal on the back support belt. Probably still throw your back out. 25% off the load tester from Viking, $30, down from $40. Really good deal on the Quinn 7-inch diagonal side cutters, down to $5 from $8, 37% off. I think that's a really good deal. Quinn and Doyle, they're pliers. If you're looking for something middle of the road, they have really good prices for some pretty decent stuff. $30 off the scroll saw, not a great deal. The wall mount tool organizer, 13% off. Not a great deal, but it is already super cheap. The Bauer spindle sander, only $20 savings on that. Here we got 28% off of the Pittsburgh stubby ratcheting wrenches. If you're just a weekend warrior DIYer that needs a set of ratcheting wrenches, stubby ratcheting wrenches, this is a really good deal, 28% off. Or maybe you're trying to make some custom wrenches, this isn't a bad option to go with. 27% savings on the Chicago Electric plate joiner at $40, down from $55. 20% off of the 100-foot manual steel air hose reel, down to $20. 37% savings on the locking pliers from Pittsburgh, lifetime warranty. 33% off the Pittsburgh 3-in-1 multi-purpose stripper, crimper, and cutter, $4, down from $6. 25% off the heavy-duty carbide tile cutter, down to $30 from $40. That's not a bad deal. This cheap little tool tray toolbox, $5 down from $7. $2 for the 3/8 by 10-foot protective wire wrap, 42% off. 25% off of the Merlin straight air chuck with lock lever, down to $3. Not a great deal on the Hercules spade bits or the Hardy camo high performance work gloves. $50 off of the Hercules belt grinder. That's not a bad deal. The Doyle 12-inch adjustable wrench, $10 down from $15. $30 off the spindle sander here from Central Machinery at $130 from $160. Merlin safety coupler, $9 down from $12. We got 50% off the Pittsburgh nail punch set, 3-piece set, $2. 33% off the Franklin packaging tape gun, down to $6. $100 worth of savings on the 9,000 watt gas powered generator from Predator, $700 down from $800. $50 savings on the 6,500 watt, so not great deals on those. 18% off the anti-fatigue roll mat, that's a decent deal. And $20 off the Bauer cordless 18 gauge crown stapler. This is the tool only, no battery included, $80 down from $100, so 20% savings on that. So we had a handful of pretty decent deals and a lot of pretty bland deals. But they do have their 7-day super deal for the Inside Track Club members. This started on the 10th and it's going through the 16th, so we still have a few days left, 5 days or so. Not a whole lot on this list, so just quickly go through. We got the 800 lumen Icon LED rechargeable magnetic handheld foldable slim bar work light. That's a mouthful. Originally $40 down to $25, 37% savings. The Viking 1000 peak amp jump starter amp power pack with 150 psi air compressor. Nice little all-in-one, down from $100 to $75, so 25% savings on there. The Icon 3/8 drive, SAE and metric modular service socket set, 54-piece set, down from $160 to $120. That's not a bad price. The Hercules 12 amp variable speed rotary hammer, down to $175, so $55 worth of savings on there. Then we have the Quinn 3/8 drive, SAE and metric soccer set. Socket set, 72-piece set, down to $78 from $100, so $22 worth of savings there, 22%. That's not a bad deal at all. These Quinn little socket sets that they've been releasing with the better ratchets, really good coverage. I mean, I think they did a really good job with these. The Icon professional snap ring pliers, this is the 8-piece set, down to $50. I think they got rid of their USA made set. They might still have one set, but I don't think this is it. So I mean, it's okay pricing. The Bauer 7.5 amp random orbital DA polisher, down to $58 from $80, some pretty good savings on there. The Bauer 6.5 amp variable speed jigsaw with laser, $30 down from $40, so some really good savings on that. And the Icon 8-piece screwdriver set, down to $22, 56% savings on there. Really good deal. So those are the Black Friday deals going on as of right now, as well as the super deals for ITC members. If you guys saw something that I forgot to mention that you think is worth mentioning, please feel free to drop a comment down below. Or if you guys have experiences with these, whether they're good or bad, please let us know down in the comments. But if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.